A heartfelt message to my wonderful viewers. Dear amazing viewers and treasured supporters, your love, trust, and encouragement are the heartbeat of my journey. I sincerely invite you to subscribe to all my YouTube channels, each one crafted with care, passion, and purpose, to inspire, educate, and bring joy to your world. As your interests guide me, I promise to keep sharing free e-learning tutorials, insightful stories, and enjoyable content that enriches both your knowledge and your smile. This journey isn't just about videos. It's about building a lifelong bond with each of you. My dream is to grow together into a family of millions, united by curiosity, creativity, and learning. I give you my word. Once you join my YouTube family, you'll never be disappointed, only inspired, valued, and appreciated. Thank you for walking beside me, today and always, because my mission isn't just for years, it's for a lifetime. Together, let's create, learn, and shine, forever connected through our shared passion. With heartfelt gratitude and endless enthusiasm, Anil Patil, founder, Privacy Prodigy, Spark TechX, World Wonder Wonders, Street Cat Bike Bonanza, and more inspiring YouTube channels in future.